Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm gonna give you guys and show you guys and explain to you a best place to buy your TPMS sensors for your vehicles. It's not Amazon, it's not eBay, you know what I mean. There is cheap stuff there, but the quality is not there, you know what I mean. Don't go to Amazon or eBay if you're looking for quality sensors for your vehicle. There's a lot of garbage out there. You can't really tell what's original, what's not. So I found this company that actually sells OEM, and actually this brand that you're looking on the screen is OEM supplier for German cars. There's like 3 or 4 different companies that make sensors for factory OEM, and they provide supply same sensors to aftermarket world. Not aftermarket, but they make a bunch of sensors, let me put it this way. So I found this company that sells all kind of sensors, quality sensors. What you're showing here on the screen, and this is a sensor I actually bought it from my Tundra. The current sensors that I have that I bought with the wheels are 2019, and apparently from 2018 and up, sensors different sensors I think the frequency is different from 2018 up on Tundra. Mine is 2012, so they're not gonna work. So I ended up buying those sensors. I found this company online, and I found other companies. And the name of this company that sells these sensors, they have a ton of material, ton of information and selection. And let me show you the quality of the sensors. You know what I mean? This is the company, the Huff, if I'm pronouncing it. So the hardware, some of this is made in Italy. So that right there shows you that it's not cheap junk garbage. But the price on this stuff, everything is packaged. So you know what I mean. Everything is there, bolts, valve stamps. So everything is nicely packaged. Instructions. They even give you they even give you a label that says everything is programmed. And I already verified that these sensors are already programmed, and they read. A computer can pick it up and read them. So everything is on it. Quality, 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 quality. And what is this? The sensor itself made? You're not gonna believe. Made in Germany. You got it. This is not cheap knockoff brand garbage. This is a quality product that you would expect. Battery life, I think actually this brand, this sensor, if I'm not mistaken, comes with a 3 years or 5 years warranty, and the expected life of the battery, I think like 8 years or something. So, and the price that I paid for 4 sensors, 78 or something. So they had a promotion sale, and it's most of their sensors, like when I looked at it a few weeks ago, were on sale. So they come in a box, they come already labeled and tested and programmed. And I already verified that they are actually all working sensors, not just, you know what I mean, they slapped the label, they programmed everything. So that's the advantage of buying a quality product that's been tested and programmed. So name of the company is TPMS Direct. And I'll show you on the car, once they're installed, that these sensors actually work, you know what I mean, that because right now I have a light on it for my sensors on the dashboard. And I will show you the video, actually from a clip from their website, the selection that they have in this video, so stay tuned. So this is it. Sensors are installed, factory removed, because these are factory 2019 non-compatible with 2012, or actually 2018 and down. And let me show you on the inside, there is no light or anything. So there you go. There is no light. Light was there, and there is no more light. And this is the original factory. Factory sensors are, the brand is TRW, for those of you, for Toyota, at least for Tundra. I'm not sure what they use for other Toyota cars. So this is it, These sensors are 2019 and I am selling actually them. See if I can on Craigslist. If someone is looking, you know, this is a brand new part, $99 on this website that I will show you in this video. So take a look and see. Let me know what you guys think. So this is the website I was talking about. This is the place where I found the cheapest OEM sensors, TPMS sensors you can buy. And this is the TPMS Direct, or you can try tpms.com. I'm not sure if they're related or not, but TPMS Direct is the lowest priced of any quality sensors I have found. Huff is the brand that I'm using. TRW is original Toyota sensors, at least for Tundra. I'm not sure for other cars they use. Haven't had issues, so how cannot comment. So this is it. Let me show you a little bit more from their website. You know what I mean? This is what kind of stuff they have. So they have all kind of stuff, and the prices is the lowest prices you can think of. You know what I mean? There isn't anything out there that you can actually, let's see if I can, OEMs TPMS sensors, let's see, let's give it a try. Toyota, Sequoia, you see the OEM sensors, there's different companies actually. For Sequoia it's different versus Tundra, so interesting. I haven't even looked at it. You see, this is right here, the TRW, how much one sensor, this is the one sensor cost. That's insane, you know what I mean? I paid less than 80 bucks for 4 half brand sensors. You know what I mean? Here is the set, yeah, right there. This is the set they sell. You know what I mean? You can buy the whole set for 87. Like I paid everything with 87 or less than 80 with the tax and everything else. You know what I mean? So this is the prices. So this is it. You know what I mean? If you want quality sensors, lowest price, don't look on Amazon, don't look on eBay. This is your place to go. TPMS Direct. So I want to thank you for watching and have fun.